Okay, so I just read about alpasim, this open source simulator for autonomous vehicles, and it blew my mind.
Really? What makes it stand out?
Well, it's modular and designed specifically for research, letting users test AV policies in realistic scenarios.
That sounds super useful. But what does realistic scenarios actually mean?
They simulate realistic sensor data and vehicle dynamics. Think of it like a video game, but for real world driving.
Got it. So, how do they ensure the simulations are truly realistic?
They use something called neural rendering for photorealistic sensor simulation. It's like enhancing video game graphics.
Wait, seriously? That's impressive. Does it also consider edge cases?
Exactly, it allows for safety analysis by evaluating vehicle behavior in challenging situations.
But doesn't that assume the simulations cover all possible scenarios?
Great point, they do have limitations. Edge cases might not cover everything we see in real life.
So it's a tool, but not a complete replacement for real-world testing.
Definitely, it's more like a supplement to traditional testing methods.
And what about scalability? Can this platform handle large-scale simulations?
Yes, it has a microservices architecture, enabling distributed computing for optimal performance.
Oh, so it can balance loads effectively. That's smart.
For sure, they can scale individual components, which is crucial for complex simulations.
What about the algorithms? Are there specific driving policies it supports?
Yes, it supports various policies like NVIDIA's alpasim, which uses chain of causation reasoning.
That's interesting, but how does that impact performance?
The evidence is mixed. Some algorithms excel in certain scenarios but may struggle in others.
So there's no one-size-fits-all solution.
Exactly, it's all about testing and refining algorithms for specific situations.
What's fascinating is that it supports a modular approach. Users can swap components.
Right? It's like building your own car from different parts based on what you need.
That's a cool analogy, but how does this affect user experience?
Well, it makes it more accessible for researchers to experiment quickly.
Is there a learning curve for new users?
There's an onboarding guide and tutorials, but it might take some time to get comfortable.
That's fair. And what about community involvement?
They actively welcome contributions from researchers, which is essential for growth.
Interesting. So it's really a collaborative effort.
Absolutely, the more contributions, the better the simulations become.
What about ethics? Are there concerns about using AI in these simulations?
Definitely, ethical considerations are crucial, especially around safety and decision-making.
And who's accountable if something goes wrong in real-world applications?
That's a tough question. It raises issues around liability and system reliability.
It does. I wonder how these platforms address those concerns.
They emphasize thorough testing and validation, but it's an ongoing conversation.
So it's all about balance, innovation while ensuring safety, right?
Exactly, the potential of simulations is huge, but we must tread carefully.
This whole discussion is so enlightening. I can't believe how much we unpacked.
I know, right? And it makes me think of how far we have to go in AV development.
Absolutely. So, what's next for alpasim?
They plan to add more driving policies and enhance existing features. Exciting stuff ahead.
I can't wait to see how this evolves. It's a game changer for autonomous driving research.
Totally, and it raises so many questions about the future of transportation.
Exactly. This makes me wonder about the ethical implications of the technology.
Me too, it's a fascinating yet complex landscape we're exploring together.
And it feels like we're just scratching the surface.
For sure, so many avenues for research and discussion still open.
And I love that we can share this intellectual journey.
Absolutely, let's keep diving into these topics together.